Hey, welcome to Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the smoked sausage we did on the SNS Travel Grill. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Got a quick and simple one here, but it's some homemade, fresh venison and pork sausage. So, son-in-law came over, he hunts, as you know, from the different episodes we've done. We'll show you a little clips in here of the video of us making the sausage. But brought over a whole bunch of venison, we just mixed in some pork with it. Reached out to Chef Johnny, thanking him for telling us the fat content, and I followed one of his recipes. We'll put that link into our show description of what our recipe is, and that came from Chef Johnny. So pretty awesome. This stuff turned out fantastic. But gonna be a nice, easy, quick one on the Travel Kettle. Run this about 250, 275 the whole time. Throw some smoke wood on top. And I have a lot here right now, but I'm only gonna probably put about 6 or 8 links on at one time, just to cook it as like you're cooking a normal meal on the Travel Kettle. So can't wait to get these on the grill and see how this tastes. All right, let's get these links on the grill. Just have a few here. Gonna put it on, I'm gonna let it go about 15 minutes. See where we're at. See, we have a piece of hickory in there for smoke that's kind of caught fire while we had the grill open here. So bring it back in a little bit when we show you before we flip. All right, so they've been on about 18 minutes. We're doing something else, so we're gonna give them a flip, but I'm gonna cut the in between each one now to turn them. And we'll just keep, like I said, probably another 15 minutes before I check them out. All right, so that was another 15 minutes. Let's take a reading here, see where we're at. Beautiful, 145. So we're gonna go to 160 is what I usually do with my sausage. And it's at 141, so perfect. I'm gonna let these ride out here another, say 10 minutes before I double check them again. This one might actually be getting done already because it's so small. That still has some time to go. And if it goes past 160, I'm not worried because, like I said, we have 70% venison, 30% pork trimmings. They're nice and juicy, so either way we go. We'll bring it back as we get close here. All right, let's do a last check and we'll probably be pulling them off at this point. Looks nice. Yeah, the 170 there. Like I said, I don't mind them being by because these are so they're so juicy. Cut it into one and show you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Quick and easy one, but it's our homemade venison sausage. Well, venison and pork sausage, 70% venison, 30% pork. We mentioned in other videos too, depending on when these ones come out, but Chef Johnny from Texas BBQ and Cuisine, or Texas Style BBQ and Cuisine. We'll put his link in there and even share the recipe as well. But we just took the recipe from his site. Like I said, slight modifications, just like between fennel and cracked fennel. Not a big deal as far as that goes, just what I had available to me. But man, it turned out nice. And a great way to show off this Travel Kettle as well is just, I got 5 links here. Makes for a nice small dinner, small little grill. Really nice to have, and this thing is just fantastic the way it's been built. So let's cut into one, see what we got here. Yep, perfect. Slice for me. I just love the flavor of this. I've had it, as you can imagine, had it before, so. It's just, I should have said it's Italian sausage, but the other thing, I had it running close to 300 the whole time, went 15 minutes, flipped it 15 minutes, and let it ride another 15, done. So, like I said, went to 165, 170 in temperature. All you need is really 160 when you're doing this kind of combination, in my opinion. But fantastic sausage, and these will be my lunch tomorrow, and Jack will have some too. But hopefully like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.